A lack of demand and high operating costs are among top challenges farms here are grappling with. The industry has already seen demand dip by at least 20% compared to during the pandemic. It's hoping for support in areas like lowering rentals and promoting local produce. Metteo tells us more.
Over 6,000 packets of kale is grown and harvested at this rooftop farm every week. It's among 200 tons of other vegetables this company produces, and the output's 10 times more than a few years ago. This is thanks to new hydroponics technology the farms adopted to help reduce manual labor. However, it says this healthy supply of goods will be for naught if there is no demand.
We need to have that constant offtake in the community, within the supermarkets, within the restaurants, hotel chains and catering companies, and at the end also Singaporeans need to be buying more locally grown produce.
Smaller farms are also hoping to get more help in terms of rebates for water and electricity. This way it can price its produce more affordably and minimize losses.
On the long-term basis, we have a competitive edge with the foreign farmers, or at least near the pricing, which is quite near to the market price, so that it is affordable. I mean, at the end of the day, food should not cost you an arm and leg.
Fisheries are faced with similar challenges. One of them says sales fell by up to 30% compared to pandemic times. Operating costs are also weighing on its bottom line. These include higher rents that have doubled to over $10,000 a month.
This recent hike in rental is quite a big so-called burden to us, honestly. So if the government can build some buildings that's tailored for the farming industry, especially indoor farming, like us, I think that would be good, and then we can have a stable so-called rental.
Singapore is working towards its 30 by 30 goal, that is, to build up its agri-food industry to produce 30% of the nation's nutritional needs by the next decade. But with only 1% of the land set aside for farming, those in the industry will have to get creative as they grapple with a different set of challenges. For now, all eyes are on the kind of support that could be rolled out for the industry at the upcoming budget. Recommendations have already been made by professional services firm PwC. One suggestion is to lower the cost of land set aside for farming infrastructure.